My name's Maggie.
And how do you know Antonio over here?
Well, actually, I saw a video of someone training on Instagram, and you were tagged. And I was like, I want to box. So I just hit Antonio up with apparently a really professional message introducing myself and telling him that I wanted to start training.
Yeah.
And we got started. So it's been like probably, I think we just celebrated our 2-year anniversary without even celebrating it. Yeah, I was pissed actually. I was not happy with the outcome. Super pumped to see you fight him. I was there for all the lead up, all the foreplay. But yeah, I think you got robbed for sure. I don't think it was. I'm pumped to see you come back and take it this time, for sure. I mean, I'm biased. We love this guy. I think Antonio's got it, for sure. Yep, I think he's got it.
Okay, so going into this fight, what do you want to see?
What do I want to see? I want to see Brandon show up, basically. I don't want any last minute phone calls that he's out playing tourist at Clifton Hill, riding the Ferris wheel, cashing in his arcade tickets for prizes, telling everyone he lost track of time. That is not what I want to see. I want to see him at the Niagara Falls Convention Center at 7 p.m., June 24th. I don't want excuses that a taxi broke down. I just want him to show up. In the trenches, you don't get a scholarship. A delivery you sold to the copper song. You remember you loving the cover them. Case on hold, you know ain't gon' bother them.
Try this. Double in. Double right, take a walk.
Going?
Yeah, so I just want to work on like some more head movement, lots of like feinting and my high defense and movement. Like I gotta keep that going because let's hit and not get hit.
I think 6 rounds, I believe.
Yeah.
We might negotiate for 8, but I think it's 6 as of now.
Yeah.
And I was really happy with her last performance. Like coming off a loss, I thought she showed a lot of balls. Pardon my French in that fight, especially the first 2 rounds was a slow start, which is understandable coming off a loss, but the way she recovered, stopped that girl. She's been consistent in the gym since, after a little break, which she needed, and she's been improving. Been having her train a lot more side by side with a couple of the guys to pick up on some habits, but I'm excited.
Talk about Jake's last fight and what you've seen in that one.
Again, it's tough coming off a loss. It's difficult in your hometown. Your fight back is in your hometown. It's a lot of pressure. The first 3 rounds, a touch hesitant. Could have got the guy out there. If it was 8 rounds, the guy was gone. In the 6th round, and then dropped him 2 or 3 times, and he's forcing the last punch, and he just couldn't quite get him out of there. But you could see over the 6 rounds, he was coming together and figuring it out, which is nice.
Coming into this fight, what do you want to say?
Get ready. Get ready. Let's give the fans what they want to see. War.
Green Sally up, Green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down.
From the work boots to the running shoes, eh?
I don't know how I got Oh, look, I found Brandon Brewer's shirt.
That looks like something you'd wear.
Hold on, actually, while we're at it, hold on. Now, I'm gonna do some shadow boxing. You guys guess who this is.
Look at that. No, you're good.
Get it back going with a friend. I think, what was it, $50? Yeah. bet his friend $50 that me and Brewer were gonna fight at weigh-ins, and of course I wanted Mo to get paid. So me and Brewer did the face-off and just give him the cheeky tap, and right away he said, "Well, Mo got his $50."
So you're the reason for all that drama.
It was all over $50.
More than 50. Let's just say 50.
Was it 50?
Yeah, let's just say 50.
So I got Lucas and Antonio here. We're about 2 months and 15 days from the fight. Talk a little bit about today and how it went.
Well, it was good to see everyone. It's not too often you get everyone together like this, you coming down, and yeah, it was good. It was a lot of fun. Came and got a meal in after training. We just did some sprints, just maintaining the fitness, and tomorrow's the boxing gym, and yeah, today was fun.
Anything you want to say about today and how it went, the training, filming, and etc.?
That's
Sprints, the good sprints.
Did some long hill sprints, short hill sprints, mixed it up, some backwards hill sprints, and then came here for a great meal.
Last thing we want to say is anything you want to say to Brandon Brewer, his fans, or him himself, 2 months out from the fight?
Well, I mean, I might have said this in the promo video, but before our last fight, all the New Brunswickers were messaging me, going on about how he's going to teach me a lesson. I'm disappointed. I haven't got any messages from New Brunswick since after the fight. They've all gone quiet. I don't know why, but I don't know. I wish him a safe training camp.
Medium? Did you get medium? No, I got mild. Thank you. Oh, how are you? Yeah, thank you. We're watching the biggest fight of the decade, man. Garcia versus Tank. I'm super pumped, man.
You got a big fight coming up in Niagara Falls.
Yes, sir.
Your first time fighting there. How do you feel about the opponent?
I feel good. I definitely can't overlook him. He's got to keep me sharp, but I'm gonna sparkle.
Who do you got tonight, either Tank or Garcia?
I got Tank late round stoppage, 100%. That's my prediction.
Good fight. The ending wasn't what we were expected, but whatever, it's boxing. I picked Davis in the first three. I think Ryan went...
What do you mean the ending wasn't what we expected?
Like, as in, like, I thought it would be like a fight, not a, you know...
Come on, you knew that guy was going to quit.
No, I honestly, I thought he was going to get knocked out. But I called it in the 3, Rizicki said in 6, and the doc here behind the camera said 7, and he got it, so well done, doc.
Guy behind the camera's got it right on the line.
So we're about 7 weeks out from your fight. How are you feeling going into the last little preparations before camp got ramped up?
I'm definitely ahead of schedule. Like Steve said, I'm sharp right now. So now it's just like maintaining where I'm at and just keep working on the game plan. Yeah.
And you got a tall order, 2 shows in a row. Anything you want to say to the Niagara and the Halifax fans?
Real fights under the big lights. Both provinces are going to see what they deserve. June 24th, we got Brewer versus Antonio, 50-50 fight. June 10th, you got Rizicki versus Jean-Jacques Olivier. Again, it's a good fight, right? The style's going to make the fight, so come fight dates, we're going to see some good fights.